7th Avenue. But this is definitely the vehicle. All right. I'm being told that we have a ground crew that's down on the area around of 79th Street. There's the Channel 7 live truck. You see it right there as it zips past that live truck going southbound on I-95. So again, a very dangerous situation here on the I as this vehicle now in the breakdown lane, passing vehicles at a boost here as he continues to blow through traffic lights here now. Southbound on 27th Avenue. This vehicle is now southbound from 95th Street on 27th Avenue. Let's see where we're going to come into any traffic here. There's no traffic right now going southbound in front of him, just a couple of vehicles here, but he's been zipping around vehicles on either side. Again, we warn viewers at home that this is a live broadcast. Okay, the Metro helicopter, I'm looking out my window now. I can see him out my window, and he's going to be, he's now tracking the vehicle. I'll bring the camera back here wide enough just so we can see if we can get him in the picture too here. Right here at this intersection, top of the screen there, you'll see the helicopter as he goes by right there. So the vehicle is now across the intersection here at 71st Street and is still southbound on 27th Avenue. And the police chopper there is up, keeping an eye on it and trying to direct the ground assets to take this person into custody. We continue to watch this vehicle as it tries to flee and elude police here. Southbound 27th Avenue, our next intersection, I'm sorry, now our next intersection is going to be 79th Street. I misspoke earlier. It's turned off now and going into a shopping center parking lot. Yeah, thanks, Joe. It's placed as a shopping center. I'm trying to get a name for you, but I can't write it now. You can see the vehicle here. Just past the Dollar Tree and the flea market here, 27th Avenue and 79th Street. Again, a vehicle wanted by police, apparently reported stolen a little earlier today. It was at least on what they call the BOLO board. That's to be on the lookout for things. When things are stolen like that, they report that information to all the agencies in Dade and Broward County every day. They kind of update that. Again, now 79 and 27 westbound, 79th Street 27. There's the Metro Rail tracks there that go westbound in towards Hialeah. So again, still the police officers are, police chopper is following it, almost strikes that vehicle right there at 31st Avenue. Now up on the sidewalk, riding up on the sidewalk. Very dangerous situation here for both the vehicular traffic and for pedestrians that would be in this area crossing the roadways. Now again, we've got a vehicle that's blocking it right now as it continues to work its way westbound. We're coming up to the warehouse districts that are on the east side of Hialeah. As we cross over into Hialeah, and we can hear on the radio right now that they are asking for assistance from the Hialeah Police Department, asking them to put some assets out here to try to get this vehicle to pull over. So the vehicle now up on the grass here underneath the Metro Rail overhead lanes there for the train that runs on that. Now it's making a turn to go southbound and southbound now in Hialeah. We are now in Hialeah. I can see they're saying it's southbound on 37 is what I'm being told. Southbound on 37 Avenue. There's a helicopter right on the left-hand side of the screen there running along with it now, giving out information to police officers about trying to bring the subject of this vehicle, the driver of this vehicle, and whoever else might be inside to get him to stop that vehicle. Continue to follow it as it goes southbound at 79 and now being told about 33 Avenue. May run out of some real estate here pretty soon because some of these roads run into dead ends as you get into this Hialeah area where all these warehouses are. But approaching 69th Street now. Now I'm told 67th Street. It continues. Yeah, 37 and 62 is the information we're getting. That's where this vehicle is. Comes up on slower traffic here, going into the wrong lanes. Obviously, very dangerous maneuvers here, putting not only themselves but other the civilians that are driving in this area in danger. So we're going to continue to follow the vehicle. This vehicle described as a black Dodge pickup truck that had been jacked up, had heavy springs, and lifts the vehicle off of the wheels there. You can see the black exhaust smoke. It's very clearly defined here as it now is going eastbound. And they're about to put out information. Lost control there, going off the roadway there. Nearly hits a parked vehicle. Now back on the roadway again. We'll bring the camera out just a little ways to show you a little better the neighborhood that we're in. It's most of this area right here are it's either residential on one side and warehouse on the other. Oh, just missed that vehicle right there at that intersection. That's very dangerous, as we've indicated several times now, hoping that this comes to an end peacefully, but we're just going to continue to follow it. Go ahead.
It just tells you the mindset of this driver, the risk he or she is taking, going the wrong way down a ramp off a highway, going down these residential streets, zipping through red lights, stop lights, and flying, really. Even though this is a warehouse district, there's all kinds of cars and pedestrians around. It's 4 o'clock, work soon.
A lot of school buses out there, too.
There we go. There's your crash. There's your crash right there. Nearly, well, obviously struck the
guy's
railroad
running off,
crossing
the
there.
driver.
We've got a guy that's jumped out now. He's going to be fleeing into this area here. They're going to put a perimeter up. We're going to continue to watch as best we can here as it goes through this area that looks like it's all pallets here, all wooden pallets, either a place where they store them or a place where they manufacture them. But right now the last place we saw this suspect was, there he goes. Now he's running inside the building. So now they'll put a perimeter up around this building here. Going to keep an eye, just go wide.
The police cars, there's activity. We believe there are officers walking around.
There you go. They've got him. Very good. Thank you, guys. I was yapping so much I wasn't concentrating on
well,
that.
That was a very quick and successful apprehension. No one hurt, it appears. And they apprehended the subject maybe, what, 4 minutes after he ran into this building? That's pretty incredible.
Yeah, several minutes. So you've got the guy in custody. The vehicle is stopped. It's going to, obviously, they're going to have to call the railroad folks to come out here and replace that crossing signal there. But you do have the suspect in custody. They're taking the hat off him now, frisking him, checking him out, making sure he has no weapons or any take his personal effects there. And I guarantee you they're going to be processing him and taking him into custody. That's our story here in Skyforce. We're going to throw it back to you guys one more time.
You know, we're always amazed when we do these police chases. I want to say 100% of the time.